everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to connect Google Sheets to Zapier. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Click on the search bar and type in zapier.com. After that, you will be led to the official website of Zapier. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to connect the Google Sheets to your Zapier account, first of all, what you have to do is click on this option, Zap. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the Zap interface. Over here, you'll be able to select the trigger. What you have to do is simply click on this option, trigger. Once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to select the application. Simply click on the search bar and search for Google Sheets, or you'll be able to see various applications over here. If you find the application for Google Sheets, what you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here Google Sheet has been added as the application. Now what you have to do is set up. So first of all, what you have to do is choose the trigger event. Simply click on the field of trigger event. Now you'll be able to find various events over here. Click on the event of your choice. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll have to connect your account. For that, what you have to do is click on this option, sign in. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to choose an account to continue. Simply select your Google account. Now you'll have to select what Zapier can access. Simply click on the options of your choice. Now scroll down, click on the option continue. Now once you do that, you can see over here the account will be selected. Now after you do that, click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the step 2. You can see over here you'll have to choose the spreadsheet and worksheet over here. Click on the field of spreadsheet. Now you'll have to choose the value over here. You'll be able to find the options. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, you'll also have to select the worksheet. Click on the field of worksheet. Now you'll be able to see the sheets over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now step 2 is also completed. Now you can test the trigger. Simply click on this option, test trigger. Now you can test the trigger if you want, or you can also skip it. Right now I'm just going to skip it. Now you can see over here Google Sheet has been added. That means now Google Sheet has been connected to Zapier. So that is how you connect Google Sheet to Zapier. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.